Hi guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm gonna give you my final thoughts about the Suron Lightbee X, this e-bike, which I had the pleasure to be riding on the last 3 to 4 days. And there's one word to describe this thing, which is fantastic, guys. It's by far the most fun that I have on top of a two-wheel vehicle. This one, it's an amazing e-bike. I had a lot of fun on these tracks here near my house. I can ride it on the roads. It's legally possible to ride it on the road. This version here, okay, it combines the two worlds, but you do have a version just for the riding off-road. All this is explained on my video, which is will be here on the sides, and also on that video you will notice how tired I was of riding the e-bike here on this environment. I'm not used to that. I've been having fun these 2 days, that's for sure, but my body, it's very tired. This area here in my arms, it's so painful for this kind of riding that I'm not used to. Another important thing, which is safety, and if you are doing this kind of environment, please do wear the proper gear. Not like me, I do not have gear. I'm wearing trousers, shoes, they are all dirt, the bike is all dirt, it's been raining. I do recommend to you to wear the proper gear, because if you fall you are protected, and because in the middle of this green some of these brushes they scratch your leg and they leave the marks, and it's not fun at all. Let me see what other notes I have. Okay, the battery. I did 1 hour off-road, and trust me, 1 hour off-road, it's tiring. I spent 25% of the battery. And this is a point that you have to pay attention, because you have 40 kilometers range with this battery, but you have to consider that you have 22. If you do 20 on that direction, you need to do another 20 coming back, because this is an electric e-bike and you do not have pedals. If you run out of battery, you do have to push it. I didn't worry about that, because I'm here, I'm like 500 meters from my house. I don't worry about that, and I had battery all the time. But in this terrain you have like two hours and a half of fun, and trust me, 2 hours and a half off-road, it is tiring, especially when you are not used to it. And this terrain, it's very difficult, because it was raining, it was slippery, and I didn't care. This is the point thing, I didn't care. I had fun, and that's the most important thing. 2 things more. The foot pegs, man, they are small and they don't offer really good grip. Okay, I do not have the proper gear. I'm riding with this kind of shoes, but sometimes my feet, they were sliding on the foot pegs, and it wasn't good. Talking about sliding on the foot pegs, I was also, since I'm a motorcyclist, always trying to look for the rear brake with my feet, which it is not there, of course, because the brakes are here on the front. Another thing that needs improvement are the tires. This one is the road legal version, so these tires are mixed, and when I was riding here, because it was raining, I didn't have the grip that I needed, but I'm sure on the off-road version the tires are much better and it will be more fun. But I can honestly tell you that I did have fun on this electric bike, that's for sure. Upgrades, we could change the battery, better batteries, the front tire, the front brakes could be better. Like I said, the tires also, it is upgradable, so you can do some tweaks on the e-bike to make it better for you. I really hope that you like my review, where there's a link somewhere here. I really hope that you like this resume of the last 3 to 4 days that I had with this electric bike. Guys, it is fun. If you never tried one, please go try it. Just be careful. As you are watching on these images, I had a little bit, it was an accident, it was a rookie mistake, because I think I was going uphill a little bit too slow, and in the middle of the climb I give it a little throttle, and the bike went, the rear tire got some grip and the bike went up. I popped the wheelie without knowing it. But nothing happened. I was able to manage it and everything worked fine because it is a light motorcycle, e-bike, 50 kilograms. I can handle it without any issues. The same thing on a 500 kilograms motorcycle, or 500 cc, I mean motorcycle, which weighs around 140, 150 kilograms, it would be another story. Having said this, don't forget, if you liked it, subscribe the channel. Click the notification bell to receive my future videos. Follow my other networks. Leave your comments down below. And unfortunately, I'm gonna return it today. So I'll see you in the next one.